Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video. As you can see, my hair is looking flourishing, and that is all with the help of CurlsCurls. So they were gracious enough to send me some of the 3C4A clip-ins in the length 20 inch. Honestly, this hair is amazing. I just love the curl pattern of it. I love how soft this hair is, how full it is, and how my natural hair is able to blend so seamlessly. Like, honestly, this hair is it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got this look, from washing this hair to preparing my own hair to curling the front. All of it is in this video, so let's get right into it. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's do this. So right now I have washed my hair, conditioned it. I already put some leave-in conditioner in it and some oil, so I am good and ready to start this whole process. So we're going to section where I want my part to be. So I have a mirror right here in case I look down, you know why. Alright, so this is my part that I want. So let's just put this away for a bit. So now that I know my part, I'm going to put some gel just so that I can really see it, otherwise it's just gonna mix all over again. So like here, to here, and we take like about an inch. Yeah, just like this. What I will do next is I'll take some of my Eco Styler and put it all over that part. So you guys already know my hair curls up with Eco Styler, so that's good. But I'm actually going to do a twist up. Now that I have a twist out, I'm actually going to continue it on the side. So I take this off and then I create a side so that I can cover all the clips. So here we have our first twist out, and then I'll do the same for this side. So my hair is now white because of the mixture of the leave-in conditioner and the gel. Once it's dry, it's just gonna leave, so I'm not worried about that. So for the rest of your hair, you can either put it into ponytails, you can do flat twists, cornrows, whatever you want, but make sure this is down. So yeah, I'm just gonna braid mine down and then I'll be back. Alright, I am back and I braided my hair down. Honestly, it's super horrible, but it's all good because we're gonna cover them anyways. So what I do next is I have a net. I just put it on my head. So, and then I will put on my scarf. Alright, so this scarf is gonna help it dry a bit faster, and I have a few things to do, so I will just leave it like this for a few hours, and then I will come back and show you guys how I install the clip-ins and how I blend my natural hair with the clip-ins. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I am back. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put in my clip-ins. So we have the ones with 5 clips, then there's a few with the 4 clips, then we have some 3 clips, and lastly we have some 2 clips. Okay, you guys see it? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my scarf and then show you guys how I apply it. So I'm actually going to start at the top so that I can make sure my hair is really full. So we're going to start right here. So I'm going to take the 5 clips, the longest one, and start with that. So you just open them all. And then let's see. So this goes like this. So we're going to start here. So here, just put it in. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so here, do we like how this is here? So now we have the front done, and we'll just continue the rest. So okay, so we're gonna take this off now. I love this, so beautiful, so beautiful. So now that we have the clip-ins in, we have to do the most important part, which is the leave out. So let me just come a bit closer so you guys can see what I do. So here we have it. So I'll just unravel it. So this is my natural hair. You see, the curl pattern is very similar to the weave, but obviously my hair is so short. So what we do is you take the hair, take some of this hair and twist it. So I take the hair and I just twist it with the fake hair. Super easy. And then just do it one by one, strand by strand. So see, this side is done. And you can barely tell. The same thing here. Look, just look at the curls. Look at the curls. So we do the same thing here. So just twist. Just take any strand and just twist it around it. Nobody cares as long as it hides the clip. Look at that. Wow, this is super nice. So obviously let's do our edges because our edges are not cute right now. Yeah, not cute.